How to fix Instagram blend feature not showing. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have the updated version of the app. So, in order to check it out, head over to your app store. Once you're in the home page, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and then search for the application Instagram. Once you're in here, head over to Instagram. And right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're having this issue. So click on update and update your app. This will update the feature on your Instagram app. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into settings and head over to general. Head over to iPhone storage. Move into the application Instagram. Tap on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.